Welcome, today in front of me Google Pixel 6a, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first let's launch Gmail application, and after that tap on the right upper corner. Then you'll see here that we're logging into Gmail application in Gmail account in Gmail app. And if you want to log out from Gmail account in Gmail application, we should log out from Google account on our device. To do that, we should click to manage accounts on this device, select our account and tap here to remove account. After that, tap to remove account once again, and now in Google account settings we can see that we just have now here logged in accounts. And let's go back also to the application, and we can see that we log out from Google account in Gmail app successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.